Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'll show you how to use the hole and thread tool in Inventor to make your VEX standoff and the VEX screw for the truss project. And what we have here is we're going to start a new part, and all we really need to know is the major diameter of the screw, which is basically including the threads themselves, for this hole and thread to work. So I'm going to just start with a circle. This would be the threaded portion of it. Now I'm just going to put in any dimension. I'm going to do 0.125 for now and go back and change it. The screw that's used in VEX, there's two different ones. There's a 632 and an 832. And if we go down to the internet here, you can see a 632 has 32 threads per inch and a major diameter of 0.138. And this right here, this major diameter in inches, is what we can use. So it's 0.138 for a 632 or 0.164 for an 832. Now you can go to the VEX site and look this up, or you can measure it and get numbers close to this, but you need numbers that are close to this for this to work. All right, so if we use say we're gonna do the 832, so 0.164. So I'm gonna double click on this and I'll just change it to 0.16. So that is my diameter. We'll finish the sketch. I'll just extrude this a certain amount. Let's go 1 inch. Now, if I go to hole, or up here, sorry, if I go to thread, so it creates threads in holes or shafts, studs or bolts. I'm gonna click this. It's gonna take a second or two to load. It basically uses Excel in the background to populate a table. And then based on the face that we wanna do this on, it'll give us, or potentially give us, the thread size that we need. So we're gonna select the location, face, so there it is. Now we go to specification, and notice it's already picked for me the number 832 unified coarse thread. You can do right-handed, left-handed, or a different class. And this is based on the ANSI certification standard, sorry. And you can see here they use 0.164 versus if we go to the internet, what do they got? 0.164. So as long as your value is close, within a few thousandths of an inch, you'll be good to go. So we go back here, and if I hit apply, there it is. There's the thread on it. And then you can finish modeling the rest of your screw. Now this works the same exact way for an inside hole, which we could do as well. So if we go to the same thing, let's just do another sketch on, let's do it next to this. Let's go on the XC plane. I'm just gonna do a completely separate sketch on here. So let's do 0.5, and then in the center that would be 0.16. Okay, finish sketch, and let's do the extrusion on that. So we're left with a hole. So now if I want to thread the inside hole of that, I go thread, select the inside, specification, it might have already selected the right one for us. Hit OK, and there it is. Now that's inside. So technically this would screw into that if there were two separate parts. And that's how you do the threaded portion of a hole or for a bolt. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye.